Best Smart Home Routines Under $500. Complete Automation Guide. Best Smart Home Routines Under $500. Complete Automation Guide. There's something magical about walking into your home and having the lights automatically adjust to your preferred brightness. Your favorite music starts playing, and your thermostat is already set to the perfect temperature. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of smart home automation. And you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to achieve it. With a strategic approach and a $500 budget, you can create sophisticated routines that make your daily life more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. Let's explore how to build a practical smart home setup that actually delivers on the promise of automation. Start with a smart hub, your command center. The foundation of any reliable smart home automation system is a central hub that can communicate with all your devices. Think of it as the brain of your operation. Smart speakers with built-in hubs, like the Echo Dot or Google Home Mini, are affordable entry points that typically cost between $50 to $100. These devices handle voice commands and can trigger complex routines without requiring your phone. The real advantage is that they work offline for critical functions, meaning your routines continue even if your internet hiccups. By starting with a quality hub, you're creating a stable platform for everything else you'll add. This single purchase is perhaps the most important decision you'll make in your automation journey because everything else depends on it working reliably. Master lighting automation for maximum impact. Lighting is the most visible and impactful element of home automation. Smart bulbs or smart switches transform how your space feels throughout the day. A basic smart bulb starter kit costs around $30 to $50 and lets you create routines like "Good morning" that gradually brightens your bedroom lights, or "Movie time" that dims everything to 10% brightness. The beauty of smart lighting is that it works with voice commands and scheduled routines, so you can automate based on time, location, or even sunset times. If you have multiple rooms, consider smart switches instead of individual bulbs. They're often more cost-effective for controlling entire rooms between your hub and smart lighting. You're looking at roughly $100 to $150, leaving plenty of budget for other devices. Temperature control. Smart thermostats that learn. A programmable smart thermostat is one of the best smart home automation tips we can share because it saves money while adding convenience. Modern smart thermostats cost $100 to $200 and learn your preferences over time, automatically adjusting temperatures based on your schedule and location. You can create routines like leaving home, that raises your temperature in summer to save energy, and arriving home, that brings it back to comfort levels. Some models integrate with weather data, so they adjust preemptively before temperature changes. This isn't just about comfort. Smart thermostats can reduce your heating and cooling costs by 10 to 15% annually, which means they essentially pay for themselves. The automation here is passive and intelligent, requiring minimal effort once set up. Add smart locks for security and convenience. A smart lock, $100 to $150, transforms how you interact with your home's front door. Create routines that unlock your door when you arrive home, or send temporary access codes to guests. Some models work with geo-fencing, automatically unlocking when you're within a certain distance. For security-focused routines, you can set up notifications whenever the door locks or unlocks, and integrate it with your smart lights to turn on porch lights automatically when someone arrives. This category of Smart home automation tips often gets overlooked. But a smart lock is genuinely useful daily. No more fumbling for keys or worrying if you lock the door. # plug in smart devices. The budget-friendly multiplier. Smart plugs are among the most underrated smart home automation tools. At $15 to $30 each, they transform any dumb device into a smart one. Plug in your coffee maker and create a good morning routine that brews coffee when your alarm goes off. Connect your living room fan or space heater and control it remotely or on a schedule. You can even use smart plugs to monitor energy consumption, helping identify which devices are power vampires. With a $500 budget, you can afford 8 to 10 smart plugs, which means you can automate multiple devices throughout your home. This is where free smart home automation becomes reality. Many of these routines don't require paid subscriptions. # create meaningful routines that match your life. The real magic of smart home automation happens when you create routines that match your actual lifestyle. A leaving home routine might arm your smart lock, turn off all lights, and set your thermostat to energy-saving mode, all with a single voice command or automatic trigger. An evening routine could dim lights to 30%, close smart blinds if you have them, and set your thermostat to sleep temperature. A movie night routine adjusts lighting, closes blinds. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.